Today I'm going to be taking a closer look at this gaming controller from the company G-Lab. So this is the K-Pad Thorium model. It is compatible with PlayStation 3 and PC. It's got wireless connection and integrated vibrations. At the back of the packaging is a breakdown of the controller itself. Starting off with unboxing the product, as you can see, this is all the accessories that this comes with. It comes with an instruction manual, a USB cable for charging, the wireless receiver, and the product itself. The USB cable has this woven design to it which looks great. The controller is very lightweight, making it very easy to hold. It weighs at 177 grams, which is exactly the same weight as an official PS3 controller. Now we are going to take a closer look at the product. So it's fairly well made, so it does feel fairly strong and sturdy. On the joysticks, it's got these little rubber bits, which makes it extremely easy to use. You've got all your relevant buttons from Start, Select and the Home button. You've got your LED indicators below here. At the back of the product, you can find your relevant USB port for charging. This controller almost has a Xbox type feel and look to it due to its size. It is extremely well made, so it slots nicely in your hands for a more comfortable gaming experience. Here is a different angle of me holding the pad, and as you can see, it slots in my hands nicely. Taking a closer look at the joysticks, it's got these rubber endings which makes it easy to use. In the next clip, I'll be showing you guys how loud each of the button presses and clicks are. It's quite big in size, as you can see here, in comparison with an official PS3 controller. Here is another view. In the next few clips, I'm going to be putting the controller into action. So this controller has smart technology built in, so it would automatically switch off if activity is not detected. The controller is extremely responsive and will turn on once activity is detected again. An LED light will display on the LED indicators once it is connected. As you can see now, I am playing Rocket League with the controller and it is working as expected. Throughout playing this game, I've experienced all the relevant integrated vibrations, and in the next clip I'll be showing you guys the relevant buzzing noises and the vibration noises it makes. The first example was done on a PC, now it's time to try it out on a PlayStation 3, and as you can see here, it's very easy to use and it works as expected. Thank you very much for watching this video and I hope it helps.
pues aquí tenemos el mando. Está muy bien, no es nada pesado. Se parece mucho al final al típico mando de la PlayStation. El cable también es de los que duran mucho. De acuerdo, por el precio que tiene está estupendamente bien. Lo recomiendo.
Este es el pendrive que me han dado Bluetooth con las dos luces, no el que aparece en los videos. Después de, vamos, tengo el mando con cable y el mando con cable tiene mayor distancia que la versión de Bluetooth. Es un chiste.
Stava abbracciando.